Hello traders. This is Wave Trading Education Part 6. If you have not watched Part 1 to Part 5, you may do so before watching this. We're going to discuss what we call subwave, internal wave, the fractal aspect of wave trading, Elliott wave cycle, mini cycles. All right. So here we say we counted the 5 waves roughly, very fast. All right. Okay. But when we see a motive wave, repeat, when we see a motive wave on one time frame, that motive wave can be just a single wave on another time frame. Let me say this again. When we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave on one time frame, either in the uptrend or in the downtrend, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave can represent just one wave on another time frame. This is about a minor cycle and a bigger cycle. Some traders will say to you a wave of a lower degree and a wave of a higher degree. So don't get confused. There's nothing complicated about it. It's just a minor cycle and a bigger cycle. The higher time frame commands the lower time frame. As I've said this to traders 100 times. All right. So be aware of it. So though we see here on the yearly chart of this stock, 5 wave very fast like a chart. We have counted it very fast. We have seen that 5 wave can just represent one single wave on another time frame. That 5 wave is a motive wave, but that motive wave can just represent, okay, a minor cycle, talking about a bigger cycle of this physia, which I find very difficult to. Somebody help me. Make your comment below about how I pronounce it. All right, that would be great. So, okay, stock. All right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's zoom into it, the chart, so you can see it. Okay, it's getting a bit too much. So, all right. So from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. These 5 waves can represent just one wave on another bigger cycle. So we're on the yearly chart. So suppose we have a cycle of 3 years or a cycle of 4 years. That 5 wave for this stock is just one wave. So we can call this from here to here, paying attention to this blue line here. I will call it, in fact, into green. All right, because the bullish trader like green. So from here, okay, put a spotlight there. Okay, another spotlight here. So from here to here, we have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. If you are experienced trader, don't think that I'm doing this just wasting your time. I'm doing it for new trader. That's why I'm going over and over on it. So do not be upset. Stay with us, okay? Please stay with us, and you'll understand more. All right. So you may say, John, get on with it. I understand, okay? But I'm doing it for new traders, okay? So this is one wave. Though we have 5 wave, that 5 wave has internal wave, or what we call subwave, all right, or minor waves, okay? So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves are minor wave of the green wave, all right? These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves are 5 subwave of the green wave. So we on the yearly charts, we see like this. If we can go to the 3 years chart, which I can't go on this chart now, we will see that we will see only one tall candle. Suppose we on the 3 years, 1, 2, 3, 3 years chart, we won't see all this internal wave. It will be just one tall candle here. In fact, it was not 3 years, so 91 to 2000, call it 10 years cycle. If we go on a 10 years cycle, we will not see the internal wave like this. We just see a tall candle like this, all right? On a 10 years chart, if we can have that, I would love it to have all this data. 10 years chart, we won't see the internal wave or the subwave of our multi-wave. We'll just see one tall candle like this. You understand? So that one tall candle is just one wave. But that one wave, we can split it into 5 waves. This is the fractal pattern of the wave principle when one wave can be split in a different, okay, a pattern. And that pattern can also project itself, a pattern that we see on the lower time frame can project itself again on a higher time frame. It's more complicated, what I've just said now. Let me say this again. This first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave is a pattern. Yeah? The retracement of the second wave in relation to the first wave, the retracement of the fourth wave in relation to the third wave, and the projection of the fifth wave to the upside, to the fifth wave, in fact, it stops somewhere here, all right? But this is the top of the motive wave. In fact, the fifth wave ended here, all right? All right? It's a shorter than it didn't go above the high of the third wave, but if you understand. But this pattern, the retracement of the first wave, the second wave in relation to the first wave, retracement of the fourth wave in relation to the third wave, is a pattern. This pattern on the yearly chart can project itself onto a higher time frame. It's a fractal pattern of the wave principle. To summarize this video, because I don't want this video to be too long, is that a wave on one time frame can be divided into 5 waves on another time frame. The impulsive wave, the first wave, the third wave, and the fifth wave in the uptrend are impulsive waves. The first wave, the third wave, and the fifth wave in the downtrend, these are the impulsive wave. The second wave and the fourth wave are corrective wave. But there is a bigger correction which we call the ABC that I have already discussed with traders. But the ratio of the retracement of the second wave in relation to the first wave, the ratio of the retracement of the fourth wave in relation to the third wave, and the pattern of the motive wave itself on one time frame can project itself onto the higher time frame. When we count 5 waves on one time frame, that 5 wave can be compacted into one single wave. This is about internal wave, subwave, mono degree, and higher degree. Alright? I invite you now to follow me in the next video where we will discuss Wave Trading Education Part 7. See you there. We are the TSTWSYS008 traders. In the next video, we will talk about the corrective waves, the internal wave of the corrective wave, or the subwave of the corrective wave, or the minor cycle of the corrective wave, and also the fractal aspect of the corrective wave and their projection. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon.